How to log into your Barclays Bank's online banking account. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log into your Barclays Bank's online banking account. So to do that, first of all, go to any web browser of your preference on either your mobile device or your desktop, and in the web address bar, simply type in barclays.co.uk. After that, you will be taken to the official homepage of Barclays Bank, where you'll have to tap on the login option on the top right corner of your screen. After that, you will be taken to the login page, where you can basically choose three different options as to how you can log into your account. So the first one is using your membership number, where you'll have to enter your last name, your membership number, tap on the option continue. And second, if you choose your card number, you'll have to again enter your last name, your card number, and continue, follow all the steps provided to you. Similarly, if you enter your sort code and account number, you'll have to enter details such as your last name, your sort code, your account number. Once you tap on the option continue and follow all the prompts provided to you, you will have successfully logged into your Barclays Bank's online banking account. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.